So encoder is nothing but
Madam.
it is a combinational logic circuit. It is the inverse operation of a decoder. So inverse operation of decoder is nothing but here we have to pass 2 power n inputs and it will produce the only n outputs. That is the encoder concept. So here in this encoder concept we will discuss parity encoder, decimal to BCD encoder, octal to binary encoder, hexadecimal to binary encoders. So here the mainly difference between decoder and encoder is nothing but decoder has a binary code as an input, while encoder has a binary code as an output. Binary code as an output. See here. So here encoder concept. In encoder means we have to pass 2 power n inputs, that is here 4 inputs, 4 inputs, that is nothing but 2 power n inputs pass చేస్తున్నారు. So ఇక్కడ it will connect, how many outputs means 2 outputs, that is it will produce, it will use the 2 power n inputs and it will produce the n outputs. So the decoder lo chudandi, you have to pass 2 inputs, that is n inputs, and it will produce the how many number of outputs? 2 power n outputs. That is the difference between encoder and decoder. So encoder is nothing but you have to pass 2 power n inputs and it will produce the n outputs. Whereas decoder you have to pass 2 inputs and it will produce the 2 power n outputs. That is the difference between encoder and decoder. See here, there is a combination of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A naught is nothing but 0, 0. A1 is nothing but 0, 1. A2 is nothing but 1, 0. A3 is nothing but 1, 1. So how many outputs it will produce? How many outputs? So here 2 power n inputs, it will produce the 2 outputs, that is either 1 or 0. So first we have to see easiest one, that is octal to binary encoder. Octal to binary encoder. Oct means what is the value of oct? 8.
8.
The octal to binary encoder, that is how many inputs you have to pass? 8 inputs.
3.
How many outputs it will get? 3 outputs. Why?
3
Because
out.
octal to binary, that is 2 power n inputs you will give that encoder. The encoder it will convert to n outputs, that is 2 power n. Octal means 2 power 3. So here we will give the values 0 to 7, that is 2 power n inputs. So 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. 8 inputs pass చేస్తున్నారు. It will produce the 3 outputs, that is x, y, z. అదే మీరు కానీ డీకోడర్ కానీ యూజ్ చేసినట్లయితే సో XYZ are the inputs and 0 to 7 are the outputs. Is it clear the difference between encoder and decoder? So octal to binary encoder means you have to pass 8 inputs and it will produce 3 outputs. So at only one value you have to place one. One input has one value at any given time. That is according to the our binary output. See this? This is the input and this is the output. Here inputs are from D0 to D7. Outputs are X, Y, Z. So first one is D0 will be placed as 1. Why? Because it enables only output is 0, 0, 0. And next one is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. ఎందుకంటే here only we have to place 1. Why? Because this is the value output, it will produce 0, 0, 1. And at D2 only we have to place 1 and finally output is 0, 1, 0. And D3 only place at D3 1, remaining values are 0 0 and it will produce the output 0 1 1. At D4 only we have to place 1, remaining values are 0 and it produce the output 1 0 0. At D5 only place 1, remaining inputs are 0, output is 1 0 1. At D6 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros, at output D7, D6 is nothing but 1 1 0. And at D7 we have to place 1, remaining all are 0, so here the output is 1 1 1. So this is the truth table for octal to binary encoder. So is it clear? So it's reverse are same as it is reverse decoder concept. అంటే ఇక్కడ decoder అంటే ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ వచ్చి ఉండేది. These are the inputs. XYZ are the inputs. Output వచ్చి D0 to D7 వచ్చి outputs. Whereas encoder is nothing but it is inverse operation of decoder. So here D0 to D7 are the inputs and output is nothing but XYZ. Is it clear? How to construct the octal to binary decoder? Sorry, encoder.
Yes, ma'am.
So, so this is the from the truth table we will construct the values. So ఎలా construct చేశారు encoder to sorry in which way we have to construct the diagram. So these are the inputs. Inputs బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇది అవుట్పుట్స్ అండి. దీని నుంచి we got the values from the truth table. X is equal to D4, D5, D6, D7. Y is equal to D2, D3, D6, D7. And Z is equal to D1, D3, D5, D7. సో ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేశారనేది ఈ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ నుంచి వాల్యూస్ I is equal to D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7. So by these truth table where ones are possible, taking that input combination then represent that values here. So we got this boolean expression x y z. So based on that simply we have to construct that diagram, logic circuit diagram, that is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 are the inputs and X is nothing but D4 connection, D5 and D6, D7. This is connected with OR gate. So X is equal to D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. And same as Y is nothing but D2, D3, D6, D7. So Y is nothing but D2, D3, D6, D7. And Z is equal to D1, D3 connection, D5 connection, and D7 connection. This way we have to construct the octal to binary encoder. So octal to binary encoder means you have to pass 8 inputs and it will produce us 3 outputs. Based on that, we will construct the truth table. So by using truth tables, we solve Boolean expressions. So at output where one have placed, so that value we will take from the input, that is x is nothing but d4, d5, d6 and d7. So take that values and we got these Boolean expressions for x, y, z. By using these expressions, we will construct the logic circuit diagram. So this is the encoder concept. So in same as decimal to BCD coder also nandi. Decimal to BCD code. Decimal to BCD encoder. So ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకు ముందు ఏం చూసాం octal to binary. Here decimal to BCD. So decimal means 10. So and values from 0 to 9. Values are 0 to 9. So decimal to BCD means BCD also 9 values only. So here decimal అనేది మీరు ఇన్పుట్ పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు. That is nothing but 0 to, so here we will pass the values 0 to 9. And how many outputs it will produce? 4 outputs A, B, C, D. Why? Because decimal ki ఇక్కడ 9 కాబట్టి, so we have to take 3, that is 2 power 3 is 8, only 8, but 8 is not greater than 9, so that's why we will take another more input, that is 4. So 2 power 4 combinations it will require, and here, but ఇక్కడ మనం only we will pass the values from 0 to 9 only. So but it will got the outputs. How many outputs? 4 outputs. ఎందుకు 3 తీసుకోకూడదు అంటే, సో 3 తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది, 8 వస్తుంది. 8 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 3 అవుట్పుట్స్, అందుకని we will go the 4, అంటే డెసిమల్ కాబట్టి హియర్ 2 పవర్ 4 అంటే 16, సో 16 is greater than 9 కదా. So 16 is greater than 9 kabatti. So here we will take the 0 to 9 values and we will get the outputs are A, B, C, D. So here the truth table is same ఇంత ముందు ఎలాగా చెప్పాను, సేమ్ అదే truth table అండి. So what one only placed 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So with output values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. From 0 to 9 values, it will give the outputs. And here by this truth table, so once ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయో అవి మాత్రమే మీరు ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. అంటే A is equal to 8 plus 9. A is equal to 8 plus 9, that is D8 plus D9 అనుకోండి assumption. Next B, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, B value 4, 5, 6, 7. And C value 2,
2,
3,
3, 6, 7.
6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. And D value 1,
1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
3, 5, 7, 9. So this way we have to get the value. By using these diagrams, we will construct the same logic circuit diagram. Here inputs pass చేస్తారు, ఆ inputs నుంచి మీరు ఏం చేస్తారండి, కనెక్షన్ అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు. సో priority encoder, what is that? Priority encoder. So priority encoder is also an encoder circuit that include the priority function. ఇక్కడ ఏం include చేస్తామండి, it includes the priority function. So priority encoder is an encoder circuit that include the priority function. So the operation of the priority encoder is nothing but if 2 or more inputs are equal to 1 at the same time, the input having the highest priority will take the precedence. So if 2 or more inputs lines are high at the same time, that is 1 at the same time, then the input line with higher priority shall be considered. So listen carefully. Construct the truth table for 4-bit priority encoder, that is 4 input priority encoder. 4 input priority encoder is nothing but, here you have to pass how many number of inputs, 4 number of inputs, that is nothing but D0, D1, D2, D3. And how many outputs it will produce, 2 outputs, that is Y0 and Y1. So this is the D3 is nothing but highest priority and D0 is nothing but lowest priority input. So this is the truth table for that priority encoder. So how many inputs we will take, D0, D1, D2 and D3. So here in this, so we have to assume that 2 power 4 inputs and it will produce 2 outputs. So D3, D2, D1, D0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, here 1 don't care condition. Here 0, 1, 2 don't care conditions. Here 1, remaining all are don't care conditions. Why here we have to make it as don't care conditions here? So if addition of 2 outputs X and Y, the circuit has a third output designated. So circuit అనేది ఇక్కడ వేరే ఒక అవుట్పుట్ కూడా ఉండాలి. అది ఏం అవుట్పుట్ అంటే దట్ విల్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ వి. That will be represented as V. V is nothing but valid bit indicator. V is nothing but valid bit indicator. So here a valid bit indicator is 1. That is valid bit is 1. ఎప్పుడు సెట్ చేస్తామంటే valid bit 1 అనేది when one or more inputs are equal to 1. When one or more inputs are equal to 1, we will mention V is 1. So when V is valid bit indicator is set to 0. If all inputs are 0, there is no valid input and V is equal to 0. So this is the valid bit indicator. So valid bit is nothing but when V is set, that is valid bit indicator is set to 1 means when one or more inputs are 1, the valid bit is 1. When all inputs are 0, the valid bit is 0. That is the V is nothing but valid bit indicator. So here we have to represent the don't care conditions also. Here we have to represent the don't care conditions also. Why we have to represent the don't care conditions here? So if we have to pass the values, that is 4 input variables, the truth table uses, here it will be indicate as don't care conditions either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. ఇక్కడ మనము don't care condition will represented as either 0 or 1. So here it will get the 16 combinations will require. Why? Because here 4-bit priority encoder, that is you have to pass 4 inputs and it will produce the 2 outputs. So in next